Hello friends, now let's start with the second chapter of ISCA CA Final Information System Concepts. First of all, let's understand what is information. Information means processed data. Now what is data? Data is facts or values of results. We receive data from internal and external sources of organization. Now if we are able to establish a relationship that this data is relevant to this function and this function can use this data to make a strategic decision which will help the company to achieve a competitive advantage, then that data will be processed and manipulated by that function. Such data which will be processed and manipulated is called as information. If the data cannot be used by the organization, it is irrelevant, and irrelevant data is not information. Okay, so what is important is that a relationship must be established whether the data is relevant to the organization or not. So basically, the data which is used by different functions and is processed or manipulated to make a strategic decision to achieve a competitive advantage, it is called as information. Now let's take an example. Fitness experts say that 20% of the population of India works out daily. Now what does this mean? You can see in the image the dark blue ones are the people who are working out daily. Now from this the organization will try to derive information that country population into 20% will be the total sales quantity of any fitness product. For example, let's take peanut butter. Now we will also take into consideration what is the current market share of competitor firms who are in fitness industry. If the current firms are capturing around 20% of the market share, then it means that there is a huge gap in the fitness industry which is to be captured. So the company will start preparing a product. They will prepare a plan, a feasibility report, and try to advertise so that this gap can be captured by the company. Now who are these functions who are going to understand this and take decisions and prepare feasibility reports? They will be marketing, human resources, finance. All these functions will come together, prepare feasibility reports, prepare strategic decisions so that company can achieve competitive advantage. Now why they are doing all this? So that the company can deliver a good quality product and achieve the shareholders expected return with ease. Now after these feasibility reports are established, what will happen? It will be communicated to the concerned level of management or the higher level of management. You can see the hierarchy. So basically what I am trying to say is, what is information? If you have understood what is information, then you will understand what is information system. Okay, you can see the hierarchy, top level management and the other functions who are reporting to the top level of management. Yes, any questions, anybody? Yeah, fine. Okay, so let's revise again. What is information? Information means processed data. Data is facts or values of results, and information is the relations between data and other relations. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do comment your feedback and improvements or any suggestions you have for this video. Thanks for watching.